All right, everybody, we're back. We're going to try this one. Ben's Original Street Food Jamaican jerk style red beans and rice with chicken. Oh my. Yeah, they're not the probably the best for you, but we're going to check it out. Same directions as the other ones, I'm guessing. Yep, 90 seconds in the microwave. All right, let's heat it up. All right, almost done. There's the ghost that flew into the microwave. Ooh, she's sizzling. All right, we got the film off. I'm gonna mix it up. All right, so let's try that first taste. Turn the camera around to get my reaction. My hair messed up. I don't think it has as much flavor as the other ones, but it's yeah. Probably not again. I'll eat it, but probably won't try it again. All right, later, y'all.